Alright, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to make a video on the Rogue DMS exhaust that I got from my E46, and I wanted to just pretty much upload a couple sound clips in this video for you guys if you guys are looking at the Rogue DMS exhaust for your E46. Pretty much I figured I'd take it into my own hands and make this video just to show you guys what it sounds like on a completely stock E46. So I'll do a brief overview on the exhaust itself, and then we'll get right into the sound clips. Alright, this is the back of my E46. This is the Rogue DMS exhaust. This is the one that gets rid of one of the resonators. I will show you guys that in a second. But yeah, I was actually going to do a complete install video on this exhaust. I didn't. I'm sorry, I'm very impatient. One thing led to another, and I just wanted it on. So one night, I just banged it out in one night. Overall though, I figured the least I could do is do a follow-up video of, you know, this exhaust, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, how to install it, and just pretty much my overall thoughts on it. So yeah, I'll hop over to pretty much how to install it right now. But yeah, I figured this is the least I could do just to show you guys if you guys are looking at this exhaust yourself, because there's not really too many clips out there of this exhaust. And if there are clips out there, everything that I found is like from like 10 to 15 years ago. So here's a fresh video for you guys. All right, so going over to the exhaust and what actually gets replaced on the car. So this is the OEM exhaust. So this is everything the Rogue DMS does replace. Ignore this part here. I tried doing a muffler delete. It was awful. Just ignore that. However, this is everything the Rogue DMS replaces. So we have the muffler. Goes all the way back to one of the resonators, and then there's another one that typically goes right here. It cuts this off, so it gets rid of this one. However, you still have one in the car that's being utilized, and pretty much the piping that is here, the catback pretty much just slides onto, and it clamps down on it. So it just slides over the OEM piping, and you're all good to go. So this is everything that it does replace. All right, so I guess the only thing to do now is to get some sound clips for you guys. So I'm gonna do a true cold start, and then from there, I'm gonna do a couple driving clips from inside and outside. Just a quick overview, completely stock headers, stock exhaust. The only thing that is done to this would be the Rogue DMS exhaust.